So today I'm going to be discussing about my EM3 assignment and the Euler's method, my research on it. Alright, so before we begin, what is the Euler's method? It's a straightforward technique used to solve ordinary differential equation by approximating the solution by a small increment, okay, known as the initial condition. From the known initial condition. Okay, so in this case, how do you begin the Euler's method, right? What you need is the differential equation, which is dy over dx equals to x over y squared. Okay, and then you are given the initial condition, which is y 0 equals to 1. All right, so to begin, what you need to do is using the equations I made over here. Right, so x bracket n minus 1. So the n will represent the number of steps. Okay, so the number of steps will be starting from 1. All right, so from there you just subtract it off. So 1 minus 1, you get 0, and so on and so forth. All right, then for the next equation here is x n plus h. So what is the h? So in Euler's method, what do they use this thing called step size. Okay, and in this case my step size is h, and the h is 0.1. So every time I make a new equation, I will use the step size of 0.1. okay, and I forgot to mention that the n, for the n number of steps, right, it is always increment of 1, so it's 1 to 10. Okay, so starting from the x first, x value, so we'll be minusing the n minus 1, so starting from 1 all the way to 10. All right, then for the second equation, xn plus h, so you use the values that you got from the previous equation, which is 0 plus the h, which is the step size. Okay, so 0 plus 0 1, then you get the next one. For the next equation, you'll be bringing forward the 0.1 to the n here, n value, xn value. Okay, so you 0.1 plus 0.1, you get 0.2. okay, so you do the same for the rest, repeat it. And then for the y value over here, so for the y value, the equations is y bracket n minus 1 to the power of 2, and the second one will be yn plus h times xn over yn to the power of 2. Okay, so the xn over yn is x minus 1 over yn minus 1 to the power of 2. Okay, so same thing for the y, for the n value is starting from 1, so y bracket minus 1 to the power of 2 equals to y0, and y0 equals to 1 because it's already given to us in this case. Then you just repeat the steps, and from this point onwards, 1 plus 0.1, you need to use the values from this answer you got here and put it in here. All right, and then you just repeat it till you get till you hit x equals to 1. Okay, so then from there you need to integrate dy over dx equals to x over y2, so you get y3 over 3 equals to x squared over 2 plus c. Then you sub in the equations. Okay, you get 1.37. So then you minus the answer you got here, 1.357 minus 1.266 equals to 0.01. That is my answer for my approximation error. So where you get this 1.266 is from the answers that I gotten over here. Yeah, so thank you very much. Okay, nice.